One of my 2026 resolutions was to slow down on luxury shopping. And well, that is not going as planned. We are already in March and I have picked up a few very nice pieces so far, including items from Jacquemus, Amiri, and J.W. Anderson. And I want to unbox them with you, so let's dive in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ivan, and on this channel, I unbox luxury items. I share pieces from my ready-to-wear and bag collections, and I talk about fashion, luxury, and menswear. If that sounds like your vibe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment so you don't miss what's coming next. I know it's March, and by now most people have forgotten about their New Year's resolutions, but I haven't, which is not necessarily a good thing because while I still remember them, I have to admit I haven't been that successful at sticking to them. One of those resolutions was to slow down on buying luxury items, and after that experience I had buying the Fendi cardigan in my previous video, which if you haven't seen yet, please go and check it out. I'll link it in the description below. I told myself maybe this is a sign I should slow down. But here I am with 3 new items I want to share with you guys. Something that makes me feel better about it is that everything I'm sharing today was bought on sale. I'm choosing to see that as a win. I didn't pay full price, which means I saved a little money on these purchases. A couple of them I purchased at Bergdorf Goodman in New York, and one item I ordered from Farfetch. They are all fall and winter seasonal pieces, so while I love them, I probably won't be wearing them much over the next month or so, which is totally fine. It just gives me something to look forward to wearing next winter. Alright, so let's start with the 2 ready-to-wear pieces. The first piece is a cardigan from Amiri, and if you watched my previous video, you know that I love anything with a little bit of bling, or honestly a lot of bling, whether that's embellishments, crystals, or in this case sequins. So let me show you the cardigan. This piece is from Amiri's fall winter 2025 collection, which was inspired by Hollywood and Los Angeles. What I really love about this cardigan is the sequin work, but also the retro feel. It has a bit of a 70s vibe with sequins in different colors that create a really cool look, and the earthy tones also give it a warm vintage feel. Here's how I will style it. This piece is definitely a statement because of the sequins, so I will keep the rest of the outfit simple. I'll pair it with brown trousers to match the color palette of the cardigan and a crisp white shirt. In this look, I'm also styling it with my Fendi baguette in python leather. What do you guys think? How would you style this cardigan? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. The second piece is another item I picked up at Bergdorf Goodman in New York, and it's a Jacquemus ready-to-wear piece. Let me show you guys. Ooh, very nice. I really liked this jacket because it has a tailored fit and very clean minimal look. It feels very classic but still modern, and here's how I will style it. This outfit feels a bit more casual to me, so I paired it with beige trousers and white sneakers. For the bag, I went with an off-white Fendi suitcase. Now the next item is a J.W. Anderson brooch. Lately, I have really been getting into brooches. I like them because they can elevate a look that might be otherwise very simple. A brooch can easily become the focal point on an outfit and instantly make it feel more elegant and chic. I first saw this brooch on Farfetch a few months ago and added it to my wish list. Then a few weeks later, I went back to my wish list and saw it had sold out. And of course, when I saw that, I immediately got that FOMO feeling, and I wished I had bought it when I first saw it. Thus, to my surprise, a few weeks later, it came back on stock, probably a return. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and here it is. This piece definitely feels very holiday season to me since it's a poinsettia brooch. And I have always loved poinsettias. I remember as a kid, my mom will decorate with them at Christmas. So this really takes me back. The brooch is made of fabric and each petal has a little wire so you can adjust the shape however you like. The center seats look like they're made out of resin or plastic. Realistically, I'll probably be wearing this next winter, maybe to a holiday party or a festive event. So there you have it, guys. Those are the new pieces that will be joining my closet. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Do you love them, hate them, or how would you style them? I'd love to hear your ideas and recommendations. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more luxury fashion reviews and unboxings. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.